When I went to buy a pressure washer to clean my siding, there were so many different brands and so many different models under the same brand. I decided to follow my MO, which is to buy the cheapest one that's got great reviews. I noticed that Sunjo brand was like the cheapest, so I bought a Sunjo model SPX200E electric pressure washer that was refurbished for just under $60 from the official Sunjo store on eBay. I'm going to put a link to that store below because it's cheaper to buy from there than from Amazon. Anyway, in this video, I'm going to show you the product that I received and show you how well it works. So everything you see here came in this box. This is a refurbished unit and it is obviously very used. The brand name sticker is coming off. The plastic is discolored from impact. It must have gotten banged around a lot or dropped. It's also dirty, even though that's going to be hard to see on video. But this is certified refurbished, so I'm sure it'll work fine. But I would not recommend that you buy refurbished. I thought I was getting a defective unit that got fixed. I didn't know it was a unit that was totally used and might have been used for months before the owner decided to return it. Now I'm going to show you how to assemble this. First, I'm going to attach the handle using a couple of screws. This is a cord holder to wrap the cord around. The power cord is quite long, which is great. This unit is so light and so much smaller than I thought it would be from the online photo. Now I'm putting together the two pieces of the spray wand. Now I'm attaching the spray nozzle to the trigger gun. Now I'm attaching the pressure hose to the gun. You simply push it in until you hear a click, and there is this button you press to release it. The other end of the pressure hose is attached to the back of the pressure washer, and you just push it in as far as you can and then screw on this outer cover. Lastly, I'm going to attach this adapter that will allow you to attach the garden hose to the pressure washer from the front. Oh, and there's this metal pin. You're supposed to use this if there's something blocking the hole in the spray nozzle, keeping the water from coming out. This is my siding that I wanted to clean with the pressure washer. The hose is connected and all I have to do is just point and shoot. I put on a plastic disposable raincoat, but I quickly realized that that's not enough. like this little pressure washer. It's very light, very easy to use, and works well, but this is too much siding for it. If you have a small one-story house, then I would definitely recommend that you buy a pressure washer and wash the siding yourself because it's not that hard to do and you will save a lot of money. As for this super cheap pressure washer, I would definitely recommend buying it for any small jobs you might have. But I would not buy a refurbished one, even if it's directly from the Sun Joe or Snow Joe store.